Welcome back to Schools Challenge 2021. It's the second match in the best of 3 quarterfinals. And the scores are Munro College on 30, Campion College on 28. But just for our viewers, let me just give you some updates. Munro lost a point and then gained a point. The question, in the Bible, what was the name of the lake where Jesus told Simon Peter to launch his fishing net into the deep? The answer given will not be accepted by the judges. It was incorrectly pronounced. And they would gain a point for the question, which part of a plant seed is the main source of stored food? The judges will accept cotyledon. And now we get into our buzzer challenge. Teams must press the buzzer and wait to be identified before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, but teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. Teams, it's time to gear up with your quick fingers, your quick thinking, and some fast answers, which could put you one step closer to winning the championships. Let's see 4 minutes on the clock, please, as our first question comes from Bible knowledge. When Paul and Barnabas parted company because of a disagreement, whom did Paul choose as his traveling companion? Campion.
Silas.
Correct. Biology. What is the specific name for pigment-producing cells in the epidermis of humans? Munro.
Melanocytes. Melanocytes.
Correct. English language. Spell chagrin. Campion.
Chagrin.
Correct. International affairs. Look at the screen. Identify this global leader. Campion.
Sebastian Pinero.
Correct. President of Chile. Chemistry. What is the chemical formula for caustic potash? Campion.
KOH.
KOH.
Correct. Music. Listen to this clip. Identify the composer of this classical piece. Igor Stravinsky. General knowledge. What is the largest city of the autonomous community of Catalonia in Spain? Munro.
Barcelona.
Correct. Spanish. Tengo fiebre. Translate, Munro.
I have a fever.
I have a fever.
Correct. Geography. The Cinchona Botanical Gardens, Campion.
St. Andrew.
St. Andrew.
Yes, is located in which Jamaican parish? Theatre and cinema. Look at the screen. Identify this actor. Campion.
Tyler Hitchlin.
Correct. Information technology. The byte is a unit of digital information that most commonly consists of how many? Munro.
8 bits.
8 bits.
Correct. History. Sir Sidney Gunn Munro is a former Governor General of which Caribbean country? St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Mathematics. What is the best statistical average for a shoe store to use? Munro.
Mode.
Yes, when stocking product for its customers. Physics. What is the value of the mass of an electron? Rounded Campion.
9.1 times 10 to the minus 31 kilograms.
9.11 times 10 to the minus 31 kilograms. To 2 decimal places. Art. Look at the screen and give the name of this art piece. Campion.
Girl with a pearl earring.
Correct. Jamaican heritage. Which fort was built in 1782 to protect the bay between Port Henderson and Munro?
Port Henderson.
St. Catherine.
So, Fort Augusta.
Fort Augusta.
Incorrect. And the Hellshire Hills, that would be Fort Small. French. What article of clothing is le manteau? Munro.
The coat.
Correct. Literature. Who wrote the following novels? The Hills Were Joyful Together. Campion.
Roger Mays.
Yes, and Brother Man. Sport. Kevin De Bruyne plays for which club? Campion.
Manchester City.
Correct. Bible knowledge. What was the name of the queen to whom the Apostle Philip Munro?
Queen of Sheba.
Incorrect. Preached. And that would be Candace. Biology. The muscle on the front part of the upper arm derives its name from a Latin phrase meaning two-headed muscle of the arm. What is that name? Munro.
Biceps.
Correct. English language. Change the sentence to the future perfect tense. Mom is cooking our meal. Campion.
Mom will have cooked our meal.
Correct. Local and international affairs. Who's the president of Guyana? Munro.
Irfan Ali.
Correct. Chemistry. What is the molar mass for nitrogen dioxide? Munro.
46
46
grams per mole.
Correct. Music. Best known for headphones and speakers.
Beats.
Munro?
Beats.
Beats. By Dre.
Incorrect. Beats Electronic is an audio products company founded in 2008 by which rapper and record producer? And the answer is Dr. Dre. And that's the final bell. That's the end of the final challenge and the end of our match. Scores at this time: Munro College on 42, Campion College on 46. We'll double check those scores and return with the final results right after these messages.